Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how to add and subtract binary numbers. So, first thing I want to show, let's just get this full screen, is the adding of binary numbers. So if I have a 0 and a 0, add them together, that's a 0. 0 and 1 is a 1. 1 and a 0 is a 1. And 1 and a 1 is a 0, carry the 1. So it becomes 1, 0. So let's look at these numbers here we have down here. 0 and 0, 0. 1, 0, as I see up here, that's this one. 1, 0, 1, as I see right here, is 1. 0, 0, 0, and the rest are 0. Let's look at the second one. 0 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, and we'll carry the 1. So we have another kind of 1 up here. 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1, and 0, carry the 1. And so carried here. 0 and 0, 0, plus I have a 1 to carry, so it brings it down 1. 1 and 1 is 0, carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1, plus another 1, that's a 0, carry the 1. 0 and 0 is 0, plus the 1 carried is a 1. So this would be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Now we can check by converting these to decimal. If I look over here, this number is actually equal to 2. This number is actually equal to 4. And if you convert this, this is actually equal to 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6. And we know that's correct. Now this number I haven't really converted yet, so let's see where I'm at. This is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So that's 44. And this one is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. So 64 and 32 is 96, 102. And 2 and 4 is 6, 4. So this should be 146. So let's see what we get here. This is 128. 0, 2, 4, 8, 16. 128 and 16 is 38, 44. Yep, this is 146. So we can see if I convert them to decimal, it does work out. Oh, here it is on the next page. Didn't have to work it all the way through. But there it is. So let's add these together. Let's go and look at this. So we got 0 and 0, 0. 0 and 1, 1. 0 and 1, 1. 0 and 0, 0. 1, 0, 1. 0, 1, 1. 1, 0, 1. And 0, 0, 0. So let's see if this is correct. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Yep, it's correct. So let's look at the next one. Okay, so now we have a 1, 1. Let's see. 1, 1, which is 0, but I have to carry the 1. 1 and 0 is 1, but I have another 1, so that becomes 1, 1, 0. Carry the 1. 0, 0, 1. 0, because I carried the 1. 0, 0, 0. 1 and 1, 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 0 is 1, plus another 1 makes it 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1, plus another 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 0, 0, plus the carried 1. So that's what I get for that answer. Let's see if we're correct. And we are. Okay, again, you can stop the video, try these, and then come back to them to see if you're correct. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 and 0 is 1. 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1, plus a 1 carried is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 0 is 0 plus 1. 0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 1 is 0, carry the 1. 0 and 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So let's see if we get that one right. Yep, we did. And another one. So, again, 0, 0, 0, carry the 1. 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 1 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1 plus 1 is 0. And we have a 1 sticking out here. And that is correct. So we had 9 bits in that one. Now those are adding numbers together. We can also subtract numbers. To subtract numbers, what we want to do is take the binary number and convert it to a negative number. It's also known as the 2's complement. So to take a binary number and make it negative, I take all the zeros and make them 1s, and take all the 1s and make them 0s, and then I add 1 to the number. This is very important right here to add 1 to the number. Where we go? Right there. Many times I know students forget to add 1 to the number. So to get minus 30 in binary, we convert 30 to binary. And 30 converted to binary is 0001, 1110. It's binary. So to take the 2's complement, I take all the zeros here, convert them to 1s, and take all the 1s and convert them to zeros. So 001, 110 becomes 1110, 0001. So that's the first step. Now I have to add 1 to it. So I have to add 1 to it. And if I add 1 to that, that becomes 110, carry the 1. And that becomes 1110, 0010. That is a minus 30 right there. So let's look at using the 2's complement. Let's get the 2's complement of the following values. Okay, so minus 11 in decimal. So let's think about this. Let's see. 128 is going to be a 0. 64 is going to be a 0. 32 is going to be a 0. 16 is going to be a 0. 8 is going to be a 1. So I'll subtract 8 off of this. And I get 3. So 4 is going to be a 0. 2 is going to be a 1. And 1 is going to be a 1. So there's my number, 0001011. So to get the 2's complement, I first take all the zeros, make them 1, 1, 1, 1. So and then I take the 1s and make them zeros. Now I want to add 1 to this. So we add 1. And we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 0, 1. So that would be a negative 11. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Yep, that's right. Okay, so let's erase all this. And the next one already popped up. Otherwise I have too much stuff on here. Okay, so we have minus 22. And again, first I want to do is convert it to binary. And the binary conversion is 128 is 0, 64 is 0, 32 is 0, 16 is 1. And I have 6 left. 8 is 0, 4 is 1, 2 is 1, and 1 is 0, because I already had a 0 before that. So now I take all the zeros and make them 1s. So, and all the 1s zeros. So I get 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, And I add my 1 to it. I get 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1. And then everything is just the same. So that would be a minus 22. Let's see how that goes. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. And we'll erase this. And that's taking the 2's complement. Minus 110. So we know the biggest one is 126. And so that's a 0. 64 is a 1, so I subtract 64 from here. And I get 6, and 6 from 10 is 4, 46. 32 is good. 32, and I get 14. 16, nope, can't do it. 8, I can. So I get 8, and I get a 6. 4 is good. Get a 2. 2 is good. And 1 is a 0 because I'm already at 0. So I take that, convert the zeros to 1s and 1s to 0s. 1, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. Add 1. 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 1. And that's a minus 110. 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Yep, that's right. Okay. So that's how you take a 2's complement. So you take a number and you make it negative. So how do we do subtraction? Well, I take the 2's complement and add it to the binary number. So, for example, here's 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, which is 15. And then I'm going to add a minus 11 to it. So I take the minus 11 and the 2's complement is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. And then add them together. 1 and 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 0 and 1 is 1. Plus a 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 0. Plus 1. Carry the 1. 1 and 1 is 0. Plus 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 0. Carry the 1. 1 and 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 0. Carry the 1. And 1 and 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 0. And then there should be a 1 out here to make it really correct. But if I ignore the leading 1 and just leave it this way, what this becomes in decimal is 15 minus 11. So this is 15. This is a negative 11, and it's the same thing as 15 minus 11 is 4. This is a 4 in binary, if I ignore the leading 1. So, that's it for adding and subtracting binary numbers. For your homework, you will be adding numbers together, and you'll be performing the 2's complement. So, thanks for watching. The next video, we'll be talking about converting to octal.